Now to the coronavirus impact in our area. Kansas is reporting more than 500 cases in its first update since Monday. The state says Wyandotte County has the most confirmed cases since the start of the outbreak. The state of Missouri is reporting 291 new coronavirus cases today. In the past week, the percent of positive tests has been increasing. It's now at 5.3%. In Kansas, the positive rate is now at 5.8%. That's up a full point since last week. The number of cases has been trending up on both sides of the state line since the beginning of June. KMBC 9's Emily Hallwick takes a closer look at those numbers and what they mean.
COVID-19 cases are climbing across the metro.
It's absolutely important for our residents to understand that the risk is higher now.
This graph shows the increase in the 7-day average of percent positivity rates in both Kansas and Missouri since June 1st. In Jackson County, Missouri, the 14-day average has increased nearly 4% since June 1st. In Johnson County, Kansas, the 7-day average has increased nearly 3% in that same time. The numbers aren't shocking to local health departments.
We know that when people start returning to stores and businesses, they're going to be exposed.
We expected to see, at best, clusters in certain businesses, and we have seen that.
If cases keep trending up, it could raise questions about reopening.
I know that there are places that have had to put in more stringent conditions, and that may be necessary in maybe certain pockets.
As the virus continues to spread, health departments warn complacency is dangerous.
We have to keep our physical distancing. We have to avoid large crowds. All of those are becoming even more important now.
These precautions are necessary, and they're going to help us avoid going back to a more strict phase.
Emily Hallwick, KMBC 9 News.
Both Jackson County and Johnson County, Kansas are still hiring more contact tracers to monitor and control the spread of COVID-19. We're going to take a closer look at that issue on our News at 5. New at 4, Jackson County Sheriff Daryl Forte is reporting 5 non-inmates at the detention center have tested positive for COVID-19. The sheriff says 2 other non-inmates are in quarantine waiting for test results. Right now, the sheriff is reporting no positive cases among the inmates. Look for more COVID-19 testing Friday in Johnson County, Kansas. There is a free drive-through testing from 9 to 1 at Church of the Resurrection off 135th and Leawood. It's for anyone who lives or works in Johnson County. The department tested nearly 700 people at the last drive-through testing, where 18 cases came back positive. As the pandemic goes on, it poses added challenges to the homeless in Kansas City. We're starting to deal with summer heat, and many former cooling centers remain closed. A homeless assistance agency is trying to find some alternatives. It's at the corner of Virginia and Admiral in Kansas City.
When the disciples came together to break bread.
That's where you find the Hope Faith Homeless Assistance Campus, offering basic services to homeless and low-income individuals. During the pandemic, those services have moved outdoors. Executive Director Jason Van Sickle says that helps with social distancing, but not the heat.
This is a multi-season situation. We are not in a seasonal pandemic. It's not going to blow over. It's not going to be frozen out.
The outdoor campus has already weathered cold and thunderstorms. Now, local businesses are providing industrial fans and misting equipment to provide some relief when there is no AC available. Some are facing that for the first time.
It's gone way beyond just taking care of those who are experiencing homelessness and low income. You know, people who just didn't see paychecks for a while because they were hourly employees, they showed up here.
Van Sickle says Kansas City is known for its compassion, and he's counting on the community to continue supporting the Hope Faith services. But he has a special request.
We're still safe because we've limited those who come in. So at this point now, my greatest ask is, what can you do from a distance? Care packages, cooling packages, things like that to provide those who don't have AC